landing, please.
Table landing.
So you said you could make one of these, yeah?
I reckon with a bit of 4x2. Knock one of these up.
Wow, what a view, eh?
Wow. Nice to have these little tree houses. Right, you don't want to be.
Oh my god.
There's no barriers here, is there?
Drop down there.
Yeah.
How far is that, do you think?
20 foot. Yeah, 25 foot, maybe 20 foot. God, there we are, here we are.
Wow, it's lovely.
It's lovely, peaceful. Luckily no one in the cabin. Didn't wake them up this morning.
Cabin in the woods.
Cabin in the woods. Yeah, what a lovely
It's a
spot.
bit spooky though, if you came up here at night and it was just us wandering around by that
Yeah.
cabin. I'd be a bit spooked, would
Yeah,
you?
I would be a bit spooked. So where are we? We are in
Bluebell Woods.
Bluebell Woods. Dinton Estate. The Dinton Estate, isn't it?
Over there.
Yeah,
I don't know if
it's
this is
part of it. Anyway,
I think it might be.
yeah.
It's nice, so it's quiet.
Yeah. It's
No
lovely.
one around.
Yeah,
We're
very
the only
nice.
people in the campsite. No kids.
Yeah, dead quiet. Quiet last night. Squirrels kicking about down there.
And a few weird metal animals.
Yeah.
There's a rhinoceros over there.
Did we capture the rhino?